Welcome to the best picks. The best 4L60E kit is probably one of the most crucial components for anyone looking to rebuild or upgrade their transmission, ensuring smooth gear changes and optimal performance for your vehicle. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, selecting the right kit can significantly impact the longevity and drivability of your car, making it a vital consideration for any automotive project. This comprehensive kit is designed to provide all the necessary parts for a successful rebuild, offering a reliable solution for common transmission issues and enhancing overall efficiency. Number 5. 4L60E 4L65E GM Transmission Update Repair Manual. This handbook provides a step-by-step solution for repairing, overhauling, or rebuilding your 4L60E or 4L65E transmission. It's designed to make the process straightforward and manageable. Inside, you'll find high-quality charts specifically for these transmission models. These visual aids are crucial for understanding the complex components and procedures. Easily identify valve bodies, locate electrical diagrams, and find wiring harness positions. This detailed information ensures you're working with the correct parts and connections. Learn about assembly, disassembly, diagnosis, and troubleshooting. The manual covers electronic controls and operation, giving you a full picture of how it works. We provide very detailed explanations to ensure your repair is as easy as possible. Get the best repair book available for your transmission needs. What we like. This handbook is your ultimate guide to understanding and fixing your transmission. It provides a very detailed explanation for easy repair, covering everything from assembly to troubleshooting. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a beginner looking to tackle a transmission rebuild yourself, this is the perfect resource to ensure a successful repair. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary components for a complete overhaul, ensuring proper function and longevity of the transmission. High-quality materials are used throughout the kit, providing excellent durability and resistance to wear and tear. The detailed instructions included make the installation process straightforward, even for those with limited experience. Number 4. 4L60E 4L65E 4L70E Automatic Transmission Rebuild Kit. Restore your transmission with this all-in-one rebuild kit. It includes everything you need for a complete overhaul, saving you time and ensuring you have all critical components. Our components meet original equipment standards for dimensional and material quality. This ensures your transmission will shift smoothly and withstand daily driving loads, just like when it was new. This kit arrives pre-sorted with matched components, ready for installation. It allows for an efficient rebuild process, minimizing delays and need for part substitutions. Address every major wear area with this comprehensive kit. It includes seals, gaskets, friction plates, steel plates, and a filter to help prevent comebacks and repeat repairs. Before ordering, please confirm your specific transmission model and production year. Matching the transmission code to this listing guarantees every component will fit correctly on the first try. What we like. Get everything you need for a complete transmission overhaul in one convenient package. Built to last and meet original equipment standards, this kit ensures your transmission shifts smoothly and holds up under daily driving. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that saves time and guarantees quality parts for a reliable rebuild, this is the kit for you. What people say. The kit includes all necessary components for a complete rebuild, ensuring a proper and lasting repair. High-quality materials used in the kit guarantee durability and optimal performance of the transmission. The detailed instructions provided make the installation process straightforward, even for those with limited experience. Number 3. 4L60E Transmission Supermaster Rebuild Kit. This is a Supermaster Rebuild Kit for your 4L60E transmission, designed for models from 2004 and up. It includes all the necessary steels and pistons for a complete overhaul. We are an industry leader in automatic transmission components. Our kits are assembled using premium parts sourced from the most trusted manufacturers. Our rebuild kits are assembled using premium components from industry-leading suppliers. This ensures exceptional reliability and durability for your transmission. Experience enhanced performance with our carefully selected components. We guarantee top-tier quality for professional rebuilders and transmission shops. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a complete transmission overhaul. Trust in our high-quality parts for a lasting repair. What we like. This Super Master Rebuild Kit is assembled using premium components from trusted manufacturers, ensuring reliability, durability, and performance. It's designed for professional rebuilders and transmission shops. If you're working on a 2004 or newer 4L60E and demand the highest quality parts for a long-lasting rebuild, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary components for a complete rebuild, ensuring you have everything you need. The instructions provided are clear and detailed, making the installation process straightforward even for those with limited experience. The quality of the parts in the kit is excellent, with durable materials that are built to last and perform reliably. Number 2. Remco 4L60E 97-03 Transmission Kit. Remco is a trusted name in automatic transmission parts. We supply professional rebuilders with high-quality components sourced from leading manufacturers. Our parts are assembled using premium components from industry-leading suppliers. This ensures reliability, durability, and consistent performance in every rebuild. This OE-quality bushing set is manufactured to original equipment specifications. This ensures accurate installation and reliable operation. Manufactured to OE width and thickness specifications, these parts ensure proper engagement and braking function within the transmission. This kit includes high-energy clutches, a band, piston kit, bushings, and a filter. It's everything you need for a complete rebuild. What we like. This kit features high-energy clutches and OE-quality bushings manufactured to original equipment specifications for accurate installation and reliable operation. It's designed for consistent performance in every rebuild application. If you're rebuilding a 1997 to 2003 4L60E and prioritize durable clutches and precise bushing fitment, this kit offers excellent value and performance. What people say. The product works design function feature facts mentioned. The product works design function feature facts mentioned. Number 1. Chevy 4L60E Transmission Raybestos Deluxe Rebuild Kit. Give your Chevy 4L60E transmission the upgrade it deserves with this deluxe rebuild kit. It's designed to meet the highest standards for professional installers. This kit features high-quality Raybestos frictions and steels, bonded pistons, and a deep pan filter. You'll also find a band, bushing kit, and bearing kit for a complete overhaul. Experience improved performance with the included .500 TV boost valve and a 13-vane pump kit. The Corvette servo and 29-element forward sprag ensure robust operation. The high-quality clutches are proudly made in the USA by Raybestos. This kit also includes a premium Transdeck gasket set for a reliable seal. This comprehensive kit provides all the necessary gaskets, O-rings, metal-clad seals, and sealing rings for a thorough transmission rebuild. Trust Transparts Warehouse for quality parts and value. Our informative sales team is ready to assist you with your transmission needs. What we like. Experience superior performance with high-quality Raybestos frictions made in the USA and a comprehensive set of components including a Corvette servo. This deluxe kit meets all standards set by professional installers. If you're looking for top-tier friction materials and performance-enhancing parts for your 1997 to 2003 4L60E rebuild, this kit delivers exceptional quality and results. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary components for a complete overhaul. The instructions provided were clear and easy to follow, making the installation process straightforward. The quality of the parts in the kit is excellent, ensuring durability and reliable performance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.